Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya College Teachers Association hanegasngi kalarakhe ka 35th Biennial General Conference Conference Hall jong ka Shillong College. Hakanigasngi ka Vice Chancellor jong ka ICFI University ka Professor Alisha Gatphoh. Kalalong kum ka kongsan, habakran hakanigasngi ka kong Gatphoh kalakantu ya baro kinong hikai jong ki college baper baki de ban treshitam banang kiu haki Jingpyntreikam ya ki Jingdon-kam haka imlang ka salang banwanra ya ki Jinghikai ki bakham halor. Habakran halor ka National Education Policy 2020 ka Professor Gatphoh ka laong baki NEP ka don ka Jingtmu ban ai ka Jinghikai ka Paka nak benta baro kala banrap da ka baong ka puli puthi ka Paka la penmi da ka NEP kamdei tang nak benta baki khana kinyo ya kata ka Jingstart bakin pass ya ka graduate handai ka dei nak benta ban ai ki Jinghikai bakin nang yo ya ki Jingtep hakaliang ka puli puthi. Hakani gasngi lawan ban Shimbentaru da ki principal jong ki college deficit but ad hoc naka jala ki president barim but ki general secretary barim ke MCTA kinong hikai bala shong that but ki dekhot ke MCTA na ki weipat ki unit. Hakani gasngi layo ru ban penkup buram ya kinong hikai bala shong that.
That we take our country forward, the nation as a whole. The academician, or can I call it, academia industry nowadays, as you can term it. This we should take. The objective of it is that by 2047, when the country celebrates the 100th year of independence, India should be second to none globally in the field of education. Now that is a long route, but it is a route that, or the path that we have to tread. We are left with no option. And that is why this NEP has been given to us, that we have to. Now, how will we be able to achieve, to make India a nation to be considered globally in the field of education, globally recognized as number one in global education. Now to strategize it, if you say 2047, it's a long years, more than 2 decades. But I call upon you, who are my colleagues, friends, and elite academicians, please, it is duty bound on each and every one of us to chalk out that career path, to chalk it out. How would we be able? Because to achieve it, it is achievements of our youngsters. We are the ones who have to guide them, and we are the ones who have to tap their potentialities. The NEP is meant as a holistic education for one and all. What does it mean, a holistic education? A holistic education is education which will it's not only the degrees that students be awarded, but it was a degree with character. We should be more human. A holistic education also demands by the NEP a total assessment. I understand, and I realized it also, that we have moved with NEP, we have moved from the exam-centered education to a continuous assessment education.